Hey, morning.
Hey, good morning. Got some pretty good moves here.
Yeah.
SG looking like it's going higher. Up. Cancel. Can't get filled. I pressed the buy button. Didn't even get filled. That's
On
weird.
SG.
Yeah. It's okay.
And Max could be a short.
Alright, let's see. NVAX. Certainly looks like it. Yeah. See if I can get filled this time. Still above the moving averages here. But it does look like a short idea.
I'm gonna try a short on this FWRD from yesterday.
Okay, alright. TSM is going up. That could be a long. TSM. It's like
Is
a
it
pretty
M
good
or M?
long. M as in Mary.
Okay.
Alright, I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, look, I mean, the Nvidia is also going up, so.
Nice.
Same with AMD.
Yeah, there we go. Come on, TSM. Try this. Yeah, I like the idea here on this. Let's get it. Let's see if I can get it filled this time. Nope, still can't get filled. That's weird. I tried to get filled twice now on SG. My order just sits there. Press the buy button and it won't give me anything.
That's weird.
Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it'll fail and I have to go short at it or something. That's super weird.
The spread is kind of bad, so that might be it.
Well, I'm just pressing market, you know?
Yeah, volume is also not that great.
Yeah. That's super weird, huh? I think you're right on NVAX. Oh, let's see if we can get filled on this NVAX to the downside underneath the 5-minute. Hasn't triggered yet.
Mara could be a short.
Oh, okay. Let me take a look. Oh, yeah. Something's going on with that one. The QQQs are going up. Shooting up.
Yeah, the market is going up.
If I can finally get filled on this freaking thing. No, probably not. That's so weird. I cannot get filled. I've tried like 3 times to get filled on sweet greens. And it would have been a great move. Because it broke the pre-market high, it's going higher. It's really nice. I guess I'll have to short it eventually, basically. I think it's going to get extended. and I'll probably just have to short it. Google has a short
I think
idea
you're
right
shorting
here.
IOBA.
Okay, hold on, I'm just going to short Google here. Broke the pre-market low. Okay, shorting Google.
Oh, wow.
What the heck?
Google is at the 8-minute,
Oh, great. Google's giving me, I shorted with 5 shares. It's telling me I have 45 shares short, even though it's a loss. I really hate it when it does that. So it's all off.
And perhaps I might take a long if this go above this.
Yeah. I think it could work. Maybe I'll wait for a secondary entry, but it seems like it's a good idea here.
Yeah. And that triggered me in.
Sweetgreens. That's a food place, isn't that? Yeah, and that's looking good. I'll jump in there with you on that. Small shares first, since it is breaking out of a channel here. Man, SG would have been great. What the heck? Why couldn't I get filled?
DOCN would have been better though.
Which one?
DOCN.
DOCN. Let's see.
And Nancy.
Oh. DOCN. We're looking good. It's got that pre-market high though still. Hasn't hit, so maybe yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Sweetgreens. MR looks good. And then jump into that one. Hopefully it keeps going. There we go. There we go, MR. Yeah. All right. Let me see if I can get filled on the short side on this SG. See if they'll fill me. Still long, still strong. So I'm not gonna try to short them, but.
It's MGNF is MGNX could be a short. It might break the low.
Yeah. MGNX, yeah. Yeah, MGNX looks good. MGNX. Yeah, very big gap, but I like it.
May have to flip this NVAT though.
Oh yeah, totally. That's what I was thinking as well. It gets underneath the low.
Yeah. Nvidia is new high.
Okay, yeah. NVTS looks good for a short too.
Mara, I'm adding to that.
Okay, I didn't add, but I'm just letting it do its thing because it's only a red bar. You gotta add on only my green bars.
It's because I went in kind of small, so sure.
Alright. And now it's getting close to the low. Market low there.
Oh, FWRD triggered an ad for me.
Okay. Moving my stop loss down on Mara a little bit more, just in case bounces.
I think TSM could be a short.
Which one?
TSM.
TSM?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it could be rolling over right here. This might be. Normally, don't like to play short against strong, you know.
Compared to Nvidia, AMD.
Oh yeah, if it's looking weak compared to Nvidia, then yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might actually do it as well. Still strong for the day, but I might short it underneath this pivot right here. I'd like to see it bounce one time so I know where the buyers are sitting, but could be good. Okay, I think SG is going to be a short now underneath this little. Let's see if we can get this drop on SG.
Wow, NVIDIA is strong.
NVIDIA drop and TSM is holding.
No, it's going up.
Oh, okay.
Can you show SG?
I did, yeah, I shorted SG on the underneath the 5 minute. TSM looking like a long above the. Might take it above the high day.
Okay. Why not take NVIDIA?
Oh, we forgot MGNX. This trigger too. Why not take NVIDIA?
Yeah.
Let's see. Does that look good? NVDA. Yeah, it's looking strong. Coming up into resistance here. Here comes
What is level
TSM.
1 TSM?
What's up? Yeah, level 1. I'm gonna wait for the level 2, but I'll jump in there as well. Breaks the high.
Yeah.
Wow, you're right. The spread on SG is so bad.
Yeah. What do you think about shorting GL?
Oh yeah, GL. Forgot about that one. That was a good one. Yeah, that's a good idea actually, right there. GL could be a good short. I'm all out of the SG. I like the GL short. That's great. Gotta wait for it to trigger underneath this yesterday's close. We have a nice short on our hands. Let's see, here we go. Yeah. Hopefully MGNX keeps going.
Damn, it can drop like 70%.
Oh, on MGNX? I know.
Yeah.
My feeling on SG is I think SG is going to trigger to level 1 right here. But I think that it's going to run out of steam maybe over the Hive day because I wouldn't want to, well, maybe I could take this level 2. But I'm a little skeptical of it considering the size of the gap.
Yeah.
It's huge.
This NVAC could be a short or something.
Yeah, that could. Or it could also go sideways all day too. We've seen that, you know?
Yeah.
So just be careful. Sony looks good for a short. SONI. SONY. Sorry, SONY. Oh, you know what? Doesn't have a lot of volume.
Yeah, no volume.
Let's do GME actually. I might be interested in shorting a GME if it gets, let's see, where is it going? Oh, wow. Nice.
Gonna outlook short on you.
On you, okay. You. I don't want to see that. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. You know, going with small shares too.
Probably can get out this mirror.
Yeah.
Wait for this candle to finish.
I think I'm going to short on the video here. Just small shares. Level 1, see if it actually continues, if it turns red for the day. If it turns green, I'll flip it long.
Oh.
Unfortunately, I did it at the wrong spot now that I look at it. Get right at the moving averages.
Yeah. Why not?
Oh.
That's what sauce like on the long side.
Yeah, you're right.
I just get out of NVAX for now.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Kind of going sideways and lose that rapid take.
Exactly, yeah.
Okay, I'm barely break even for the day.
That's good.
Taking a long ADMA.
Okay. Oh, wow. Sweetgrain's triggered long here.
Which one?
SG?
Oh, that's spready stock.
Yeah, it's still going up. Amazing. A little higher. What happened to GL?
Going sideways at the moment, forming level 2, level 3.
Yeah.
Let it go sideways. I'm gonna wait for a secondary entry on that one.
That's a good idea.
Might come back into this NVAX once this candle finish.
Okay. For the long side?
Yeah.
Let's see. NVAX. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to curve back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at you. Nice.
Oh, okay. Let me take a look. You. Oh, jeez. Amazing. Yeah, that's great.
Said after that, I forgot about it.
Very, very nice. What? Okay. nice. Netflix is working for me. But it keeps
Netflix?
going down. Yeah, I did that level 1, 5-minute level 1 at the top.
Oh.
Just because I figured, look at the daily chart, right?
Man, I didn't see that one. Market is dropping, no wonder.
Yeah. Come on, Netflix. I took the level 1 on SG. Hopefully that's the right thing now. I didn't want to take the long. I just was like, the stock is way too extended for me to take a level 2 to the upside. So I took a level 1 to the downside off the 5-minute. And it's working a little bit. Yeah, U looks good. I think it might reach the low.
Yeah. This FWRD is also working pretty good. I might add to this too.
Which one? SWRD?
Yeah, forward.
FWRD. Oh yeah, we traded. Oh yeah, you're right. Coming back down today.
Yeah.
That might be good. That actually looks very nice. I like the pattern. I like that it's underneath the 8 and the 20 today.
Yeah.
That's very, very nice. NVAX, you know, we could maybe do a scalp short right here.
Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it.
Stuck inside this range.
Yeah.
Maybe under $10 would be a good short.
For which one?
NVAX? Not sure.
Oh, GL trigger a level 3.
Okay, let's see. I've been waiting on that one to do.
I'm waiting for a secondary entry on that one, I think.
Yeah, maybe going small first.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, I'm going to jump in small shares. Put my stop over
Okay, I went in small also, and then after
just in case, yeah.
Yeah. Never know. Could drop down to 82.50.
Yeah. Yeah, you never know.
Never know.
I might add to this SG here if it gets underneath the VWAP.
Taking a pause on U on the 2 minute.
Okay. I'm going to add to this SG trade here. I think if it gets underneath the low of this VWAP, could maybe sell off a little bit more. I'm still in NVIDIA short. I'm thinking NVIDIA looking like it is rolling over.
Now TSM looks stronger than Nvidia. That's fun.
Oh, really? Let's see.
Yeah.
I took it off my watch, and oh, you're right. Oh shit, it did break over the top.
TSM now looks stronger than Nvidia. Oh, it
Yeah.
looked weak earlier.
Yeah, and NVAX is starting to look strong now.
Yeah. Maybe I'll wait for the high of day.
On which one?
On NVAX.
Oh yeah. Well, oh yeah. There's a definitely a resistance at 11, so that could be good. It gets underneath that.
Yeah.
Come on, NVIDIA. Time to take back.
What do you think of IOVA?
IOVA. Let me see. IOVA. Looks like a good short. It's above the VWAP right now, but
yeah,
looking good.
Moving averages right there could push it back down.
Yeah. All right, took a partial on the video here.
I'm probably just gonna go in small and then add to it, go against that VWAP.
Sounds good.
Alright, Mara, come on, come down. Mara, come down, trigger an ad for me at that level 2.
Alright. Yeah, I think we should just stay away from NVAX, because it's just going sideways, you know.
Same with forward right now, just kind of went sideways, just get out that new high.
Let's see, okay, alright. Yeah, it looks like GL is not even moving. What the heck is going on?
Yeah. Probably just go with the moving average, that's why.
Yeah. Okay, the video looks like it's going lower. At the 20, should I trust it? Okay.
Well, I'm up about 1 off, kind of hit my goal.
Nice. Very nice.
I just have to reduce some size just so I can lock in some. Oh, you working out.
Oh, good. I'm gonna put my stop loss a little lower on you.
We should add that in on this. Add back some share. Google level 1.
Okay, alright.
What about investment? Did we go long on that?
I'm putting it on my watch list here. NVAX on my little thumbnail.
Should be.
I'm still gonna wait for it to clear
the high. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good idea.
I'm also thinking about taking a short on TSM.
Okay.
I know it seems silly, but I'm looking at the market and going, this one might actually go lower right here, just one more bar.
Yeah, considering how TSM kind of go against that microchip trend a little bit.
Yeah.
It's also could be a pretty good trade.
Yeah, I'm thinking it gets down. So it goes a little lower first.
Alright.
Yeah, it seems like TSM had that big 180 bar. So I'm thinking a little lower here. Good. If this SG can break the VWAP right here, get me down to 31. All right, MIRA still going down. Looking good. I got out of that FR4 or whatever.
Yeah, I got out on that the last candle where it break the 5 minute.
Yeah, and also I got out of the what's it called? The GL. Yeah.
I'm still waiting on it. It's still below the VWAP. Yeah, I got in small, so I'm not worried.
Okay.
DMA is not working.
GL trying to go up here.
Oh, GL come back down.
Which one?
GL.
Oh, GL. Oh, yeah, you're right. Probably should just hold on to that and give it a wide enough stop loss, but.
Yeah, mine is pretty small. I mean, let me see how it looks and how after it.
Netflix looking better for more downside.
Yeah, I guess so.
TSM at the VWAP here. Might short this. Oh, NVIDIA. Wow, okay. I think NVIDIA is going to crack even lower now. Something's going on with these semiconductors or whatever today.
Can get out this U on the new 5 minute high.
Yeah, I got out of U as well. You know what? Actually, Ford looks good. FRW, whatever, to the downside still.
I'll probably wait for it to. I don't know. Let's see if we want to. Yeah, it's bound for after VWAP to be come back down.
Yeah. What happened to our good friend NVAX?
Sideways,
Going sideways.
like you said.
Yeah. Could be a good scalper idea right here. Just go in, scalp this short,
Yeah.
catch it at the low, then go long again. Level 1 right here, scalp. Oh, it won't even let me short.
Really?
Yeah, I guess it's unavailable.
I showed it before.
Oh, maybe it's run out of shares for short or something. I don't know. That's weird. Let's try small shares. No. Can't get filled. That's weird.
Really?
Super weird. Yeah. Okay. Well,
Okay, I know this stupid run thing. I'm just getting out of Mara for because I had like 5 red ball in a row.
yeah.
I think it can balance. It's just not really going much. It's not really a good spot to get out also, but I don't know. I just don't want to sit through all the chops.
Yeah, no, I understand.
This IOVA is working.
IOVA, let me take a look.
Target
IOVA.
all day.
Oh, that's actually beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a nice pattern.
Yeah. Not being greedy, just going kind of small on that one.
Yeah. Looks good, looks good.
You may add to the GL. Oh, GL, adding to that.
Yeah. Not a bad idea.
Yeah.
There we go.
Man, what I've done is take partial and then go ball by ball. Rather than just get out.
Yeah. Exactly.
Keep forgetting about that. Wow, look at Netflix. Are you still in Netflix?
I am, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm still on Netflix.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm actually just took a partial right here because we are touching yesterday's closing price.
Yeah, I see that.
And same with NVIDIA.
Okay.
Right here. Probably a good idea to take a partial. Oh, nice. All right, I think I'm going to call it a day.
Oh, yep.
I made about 2R.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm going to get out of some of these trades. I know I shouldn't, but it's going to get out of them anyway just because if I'm up about 2R, if I let things keep going, they're going to turn me back to less than 2R.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm up only 1.4 at the moment, so
that's not bad.
not bad.
That's great. Yeah, and definitely feel, don't make this day turn red and the day green.
Yeah, now I'm planning to just stop early, just so I can have a green day.
Exactly. Yeah, it's a good idea. End the week strong.
No, the week is terrible.
Oh, okay, never mind. Well, end the day strong.
Yeah, and the day's wrong.
I mean, this IOVA looks good. I'm in that short, but I actually just got out, which I should probably hold for the
Well,
break of the.
it's at the near the low of day, which is where I'm thinking of taking a partial.
Yeah.
This forward, looking good, level 3 right now.
Damn it. Really? Let me see. I got out of that.
It hasn't triggered yet, but it's might.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's triggering.
Yeah. Looks good. It actually looks great.
I'm actually thinking a second.
Oh, and GL looks great too. Just keep holding on to that. I think you're going to make 2R for the day. I think GL will actually get back down today to the
$82.
yeah, probably 80. I could see 83.50.
83, yeah. Taking a
Yeah, that seems like a reasonable area. Yesterday's 2 days ago's low.
Yeah.
Looks nice. Yeah, looks very nice.
Yeah, hopefully it can go down some more maybe.
Yeah. I had a mishap with my platform. I was in a couple trades and the platform just went boom and just shut off, and I was like, oh my gosh. So then luckily when I get into trades now, the thing that I do right away is I get my trade in, really quick, and then I right click on the chart and I press, basically my stop loss right away.
Yeah.
Yeah, just get things all in. You may actually trigger another setup.
Yeah.
There's something I noticed that I don't know if you've noticed, but in the morning, when you get like a level 2 or something like that, as long as the moving averages are in your favor, then it's great. But later on in the afternoon, if you get like a level 2 or a level 3 and the moving averages are in your favor, but they're not close to the price,
yeah,
it's more likely that that pattern actually marks the end of the trend and you get in and it's a breakout failure. You know what I'm saying? Because the moving averages aren't close.
Yeah.
So what I've been trying to do is in the morning, I'm okay at taking momentum, kind of like level 2s, level 1s, all that stuff. I don't care that the moving averages are not close to price as long as, it's close to VWAP or something like that, right? Or close to the 8. But in the afternoon, yeah, I think it's really important to be like super picky and say, is that 20-period moving average caught up to price? And if it's not, I'm not going to take this one, because basically what that's telling me is the price is extended. And if I trade a level 2 just because it's a level 2, it's a poor level 2. It's it's far away from anything of value. The 20-period moving average is sort of like the value,
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's the way I'm trying to approach things now. Just avoid. I'm not, SG, I took that short and it worked pretty good. And I just got out now, even though I didn't need to. I took a 5-minute level 1.
Oh wow, investment breakdown.
Unfortunately I can't, they won't let me short invest.
Really?
Yeah, try it again. See it like just one share. I don't think you'll get filled. I tried it and it wouldn't. It kept saying, could you do it?
Nope.
Okay.
All this time I'm watching investment.
Yeah. Probably too many people short on it. And because of that, there's just no shares available.
Pull back on this GL.
Which one?
GL, pull back.
EL, okay.
Moving my stock to break even.
Nice. Oh man, I should have just held SG.
Still going down?
But, yeah, still going down. I think it's at support now.
Break the VWAP now.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I think like the stop, I wanted to take it long in the morning right at the morning, right in the break of the level of pre-market high.
Yeah.
I couldn't get filled. Then I tried to take it 5-minute opening range break. I still couldn't get filled. So both of those worked for me. And then I took a level 1 short off the 2-minute. It went down a little bit, came back up, stopped me out break even. And then I was thinking about taking it long again, but I was like, you know what? I'm going to stay away from this stock because it's, it's just keeps it won't fill me. Something's weird, like why am I not getting filled? And then broke the high, and I was like, oh man, it's going to keep going without me. But as soon as I had that breakout failure, I was like, oh, okay, fine, let me try to short it. And I got filled right away, and I was like, okay, great. And I just held for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. And as soon as it broke the VWAP, dropped down, took it off. That was my best trade. Well, actually, my best trade was NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a level 1. And I held all the way to the low day.
This GL might stop me out break even.
I know, I freaking hate GL now. It's trading like just choppy. That's what I did. I got in that level 3 or 2 or whatever earlier.
Yeah.
Then it breaks down, and it comes back up, stops me out break even. And I'm just like, oh, what the heck? And so I'm willing to get back in, but then, does it again. It might be one of those things where you have to manage based off of a moving average and not based off of price. Because see, this is the part that I hate about trading is sometimes you'll have a management technique of like I do bar by bar, but it's not suitable for that particular stock. Like we can tell that this stock right now is moving. Seems like it's closed. It seems like the moving average, the 8-period moving average, is the thing that's holding it from going higher. So as long as you put your stop loss slightly above the 8 and it doesn't close above the 8, then I think you should just stay with the trade. But it's so hard because you're basically saying I'm not going to trade the bar by bar. Oh my God, the video is still going down? Really?
Yeah, Netflix still going down. Mera is still going down.
Mera. Oh my God, I got out of Mera. That was dumb of me. Let's see. Yeah.
You has a level 2 now.
I know. Wow. Well, look at the market. Look at the SPY. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, here comes you.
You triggers.
And I'm gonna close it down. I'm feeling major FOMO here.
Yeah, step away for like 30 minutes or something.
Yeah. Also, I'm if I'm green, I just want to end the day.
Yeah, I know how. Like, imagine if you still red. If you red for the day, you'd be like in it right now.
I know. I'd be trying everything. I'd be jumping in you. I'd be jumping in back in
Mera.
So yeah, I think it's a good idea. I'm just gonna step away. The emotions are getting the best of me.
Yeah, you definitely want to wait for the stock to pull back or something. Right now, a lot of things are kind of far away from the moving average.
Yeah, they're starting to get a little extended. Like I could see myself taking the video, chasing it, and then it comes back up. And it's not necessarily the trend is over. It's just I can't hold through that pullback because
Iowa, maybe I might add to it. If not, I may get out on this doji.
Yeah, Iowa looks great. That was a great find.
Yeah, you look like it's coming back down.
Yeah, definitely does.
did espresso sauce on GL, so let's see if it's gonna work on that.
Okay.
Imagine if somebody just stumbled on like a live stream and like, what the heck is espresso sauce? What the heck's level one, level two?
Yeah. What's Albra?
Who's that, bro?
We basically have our own nomenclature.
Yeah.
I made up a new one called the moment of truth.
Yeah, I saw it. It's like,
Yeah. I like coming up with little names for things because it helps me for me because I come from a musical background, so like everything has a name. Like every chord has a name, every type of harmony and movement, everything has a name, so you can describe it to others. And also when you're creating music, you can think rationally rather than trying to trying to pull something out of thin air. Like if you
yeah.
have names for things, you know what to pull, like as a tool. And I feel like, yeah, having names for stuff in trading, I mean, and putting names there, it puts it into the realm of the, of like, it's no longer just an abstract idea. It's a legit concept that you've seen enough times to actually have a name for. And then what's really cool is if things aren't working, that particular thing isn't working, you could say, oh, well, you know what? Why isn't level twos or threes working? Whereas if you don't have a name for it, how do you even tell you could just say, why aren't my trades working? That's too general.
Yeah.
So it really helps,
One thing I noticed that happened a lot
Yeah.
on in coffee, not a coffee, extended ball. The moment that the next ball, sometimes it just break below the extended ball, and then it start pulling back up. So when you see the extended ball and you see the new low or something,
Wait, so say that again. So like you're saying,
like look at ON.
okay.
See how it has an extended ball? And
Yeah.
then it's break below that and then it just swing back up. It's happened
Oh.
so often.
Yeah, you're saying so if there's a wide range bar and so yeah, you got a wide range bar at the end of the move. Exactly, yeah. That's why I think it's really important to take partials. Like so if you're going bar by bar down and you're holding it and it's going dropping and dropping and dropping. And then you get wide range bars, rather than waiting for bar by bar now, what you should do is at the end of every wide range bar, when it closes, take a partial.
Yeah.
Because yeah, you're right. What will happen is, like you said, breaks the low of the wide range bar and comes back up. And I think if you probably looked at a 2 minute, you would probably see, yeah, look at. Another thing you could do is when you start seeing wide range bars, go to the 2 minute and just go bar by bar.
Yeah.
Because that's basically what's happening is you're getting basically a 2 minute new high off of several 2 minute consecutive 2 minute candles in a row. So yeah, I agree. That's definitely a pattern that I see. Dude, Mara's still going down. Wow.
Wow, look at Meta.
Meta, okay. Jeez. Yeah, Meta's coming into support here. I could see it right around.
Damn,
Oh,
Meta's
maybe
still
had two more points down. You could do a knife catch on Meta if it gets down to this to a level of support. I think there's a. If you look at the hourly chart, you can really see there's some support coming in right around here. But you know the tricky part about doing these knife catches is if you try to get cute with the stop loss and like put your stop loss too close to the price or try to get out break even,
Yeah.
you'll often basically get what you want. You'll get out break even only to miss the move because you're catching the bottom. So there's always a lot of hesitation. You know, if you think about it, like the stock is going down and everybody wants to catch the bottom, and then they catch the bottom, but they're so nervous to hold it that they start kind of exiting because they think maybe that's not the bottom.
Yeah.
So then and then you get these small little things that happen, and then just tricks it. Hey Theo, hey buddy, come here. Good morning, come here, sweetie. Mommy. Hi, Bob. Hey, sweetie. You're a doggy. You're such a good doggy. Yes, you are. You're such a good doggy. All right, man. Well,
yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a day too. I mean, I'm up 1.28 off.
Nice. Yeah.
That's like 3 off for me, really. Well, not 3, maybe 2.5.
Yeah. That's great.
Yeah, because of my trade on half a risk, so that's kind of like.
Yeah, I think that's great. I mean, I often forget the same thing. You know, I'm taking, quarter of a risk units and stuff like that and adding to it. And so, I feel like it's great. It's really great.
Yeah.
I mean, just think eventually when your risk unit is at like $300. I mean, that's something I've kind of now started to realize is just because you have a risk unit of $300 doesn't mean you're risking $300 on every trade right off the bat. It means that in total, I think that's for me now. That's what it means now. It's like in total, that's how much you should risk. So if you're going to take a trade and you're getting in small little bits, like kind of like seeing how it goes, why put $300 at risk right away?
Yeah.
Unless you're absolutely certain it's going to work, which that's kind of silly because there's no such thing as certainty in the market. Even a great pattern, you can have the chop right afterwards, and then you're like, oh, but if you go in with like quarter of a risk, and then it chops around, and then you can add, and then it starts going, and then you get to the low of day because you're short, and you take a partial, and then it slices right through the low of day. After a level 3 consolidation, and then you can add back. Then you're trading like a professional.
Yeah.
I listen to SMB, even though I think SMB Capital is a lot of their stuff is full of crap.
Yeah.
And like a lot of the people there aren't really great. I think there's only one guy that I listen to. His name is Garrett, I think, and he does the bar by bar. Goes over his trades, but he doesn't even show his P&L. So who knows if he's even telling the truth? But I do know that at their firm, they have a max daily loss that they can lose for the whole day. And so what people say is they say that when they see a good setup, they'll put in a little bit of their daily loss into the trade, but they have to decide how much they want to lose on that trade because they have a max loss for the full day. So if you think about it, if you say to yourself, my max loss is, let's say, $100 for the day, and you're planning on taking like maybe 10 trades that day, or maybe even more, you have to divide that up into small increments rather than thinking of $100 per trade, you know?
Yeah.
So that's the way they're doing it, which I think is smart. So I mean, one day, but so some trades they'll take a little bit more risk on it because it's a better setup, and then some trades they take a little smaller risk and then add to it. And he was talking about that in his video, how he'll jump in with a little bit and then add a little bit more, and then eventually he'll put his full risk on a trade, and what he's full risk for the day on that stock, writing, but he's already up on on the profit. So I was like, oh, okay, because I think if the way they get, if they can get fired if they have a max loss of like $100 for the day, which I'm sure it's way higher, and they lose it, and then the next day they're trading and they lose the full max again, eventually they're probably just going to get fired because they're going to say, we give you this max loss, you shouldn't even get to the max loss. If you're not doing good, you should recognize that I'm not doing good. So, why are you losing the full loss every single day?
But the other day, I also listened to them and talking about that some people get a drawdown for like an extended time.
I heard that. I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, 2 million drawdown. That's crazy.
Yeah, I was thinking like, but I guess it's one of their traders that's made a lot of money too.
Yeah.
So, but then again, yeah, I'm like thinking like, I don't know. That's not a very good pro. Being a very good pro. How do you get to that point where you're just continuing to lose?
But one thing I noticed that the guy was like trying to pump Lens up.
Pump what? He was
Lens? Yeah, he's like, yeah, Lens had this course that night.
Oh, Lens. Oh, yeah, you're right. They kept trying to, every single second, to be like, and if you want to do this, you can go and visit this area, this website, and then purchase these courses. And I was like thinking, oh, okay, this sounds like a infomercial.
Yeah,
for your,
seriously, yeah.
Yeah, I was like, I can see. Yeah, you're right. You can see right through it. It's like you basically are trying to make money off of selling courses and not trying to make money off of trading.
No.
Yeah, exactly. When I see that, I'm like, I don't trust. Like, if someone's that good of a trader, they don't need to charge that much for a trading course. Like, for instance, Ed charges $300 forever. So basically, you send him $300 and you get access to his room for as long as you want. That's it. There's no extra fees for anything. And then when he does little courses and he puts them out, it's all part of his room. So if if he's doing a course on like how to trade the earnings trades or whatever, you don't have to buy that. You don't have to purchase that. Whereas T3, the Sammy group, you're paying like $145 a month. And then if they put out a course and you want to get that course, you have to purchase that course for, $500 or whatever. And I'm thinking, like, there's so much upsell in this. If Sammy was making a shit ton of money, why would he need to sell courses?
Yeah.
Why would he need to charge that much money? So, and then one thing I also like is Ed shows every single day, he shows his open P&L.
Yeah.
And if you missed it, you can go on his website and he posts the charts that he traded that day with all the arrows, so you can see where he got in and get out, and so you can see all his mistakes. He's not perfect. He makes mistakes. He gets emotional.
Yeah.
And then you can see his open P&L on every single trade. So I was like, wow, okay. Like, I listened to him. I think it was not yesterday, but the day before. I watched him trade an earnings trade, and he screwed up, and he took a loss on it. And I didn't screw up because I waited for that. I waited for the whole candle to finish before I jumped in.
Yeah.
And he got excited. He jumped in ahead of time, and then I went against him. And then he exited, and that's where I actually shorted because I was like, oh, the new candle that made it, broke underneath. But he was very transparent. You could see on his chart.
You should sell him a course.
I know. Actually, on his Twitter, he's a nice guy. Like, he posted his thing, his loss, and I said, I think you should have waited for the bar to close And also, you should have waited for the low of day to be taken out. And he liked that thing. He wasn't like, and that's, I think, a true sign of someone that doesn't have an ego.
Yeah.
Whereas Lance has an ego, all these guys have an ego. And then I'm thinking, how can you have an ego and be a good trader? Like, to me, that's backwards. Like, if you had an ego and you were a good trader, it doesn't make sense, because if you take losses all the time in trading.
Yeah.
So if you have an ego with trading, oh man, you get yourself in deep trouble, like a $2 million draw now.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I think that they're all full of crap. There's only a few out there that we can really trust, unfortunately.
Yeah.
But it sucks, because that's what the typical person comes into trading, and then that's what they think. All these guys are so good, and I'm gonna make millions just by following their trade.
Yeah.
And they don't realize that these guys actually don't make money as good as they promote. Well, anyway, I think I'm done for the day.
Yeah. This in one trade that's working, and the other trade hasn't triggered me yet.
Is it the FORD? You're still in FORD?
And I'm still in FWRD.
Oh yeah, nice.
And this IOVA is hasn't triggered me for a short.
Oh, okay, nice. Well, yeah, just going small.
Yeah, I'm going small.
Yeah, it really does help. It's crazy how going in small helps. And then also, if you're going with the trend too, how much easier it is.
Yeah.
To just catch the wave, like Mara. It's like it's red for the day. So basically, as long as you don't put your stop loss too tight to the price action.
Yeah.
And you have it far away. Like, I think I sent you a couple charts yesterday about all these entries that you could have done on stocks.
Yeah.
And it was all with the idea that the stock is red for the day.
Yeah.
But and the funny thing is, even some of the entries were above the 8 and the 20. I just wanted to prove a point that even some of them that were above the 8 and the 20 still worked.
Yeah.
But I was trying to show that if you went in and put your stop loss above the high of day, you just kept adding to it on every new setup, and then eventually lowering your stop loss, like, you would most likely have some great, success on the trades. Whereas I think, having your stop loss too tight, like that one day you were saying where you lost a lot, it was probably just too tight of stop losses.
Oh yeah. I think this kind of chop you around.
Yeah, it's, like NVAX, I'm pretty sure that we could have, I think we did the right thing. I just seeing what it was doing and seeing that it's not going up.
Yeah, you went sideways the whole day.
Yeah. But my plan was to go in a little bit on the level 1, which I did, and then I was going to add over the high of day at 11. Oh no, actually I didn't go in on NVAX. My plan was to just add to get over 11 when it gets over 11, because I didn't trust the first level 1 there off the VWAP. I was thinking it's too shallow, to the top of the $11 pivot.
Yeah.
So I said, let me just see if it breaks the $11 pivot. I'll go in with a small risk, and then just continue to add and add and add until basically the target is that pre-market high, where it's way up there,
Yeah.
But unfortunately, NVAX was just basically a dud. And then I think even trying to short it might even be hard too. Alrighty. Well, have a great weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks, man. You got any plans for Mother's Day?
No plan.
Oh, okay.
No plan.
No plans. Are you guys? Do you have a big family?
Nope. Small.
Oh, okay. So no brothers or sisters?
I do, but they live kind of far.
Oh, they do. Okay.
Yeah,
They don't live in California.
yeah, one in San Francisco and one in Chicago.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know what the heck he's doing in Chicago, but
Where do your parents?
they're
Where are they
local.
located?
They're down the street.
Oh, okay. Well, it's gonna be Mother's Day this Sunday, so
Yeah,
don't forget.
yeah, I know.
Moms like moms like to be reminded that they're good
Yeah.
moms.
Yeah.
All right, man. Well, have a great weekend.
Yes, sir. You too.
All right, take care.
Okay, take care.
All right, bye.
Bye. Oh, Netflix. Going down. Well, there go the GL level 1. Working out pretty good. Oh wow, Netflix too. Everything's dropping. Hmm, it's not gone.